I wish my cat understood English so I could tell her to stop knocking things off the table. I swear she's plotting against me. Hello, my favorite student, and welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Speaker. My name is Tanya, and if you want to improve your English, you are in the right place. The verb wish refers to hypothetical situations, things we want but that are impossible. So it can be followed by different verb forms. The first one is wish plus the past simple form. For example, I wish I passed my driving test on the first try. Now I have to take the bus everywhere. Or, I wish you didn't forget to water my plants while I was away. Look at my avocado. It's so sad. I wish I didn't eat that entire pizza. I'm in a food coma now. So we use the past simple form after wish to show that we regret about the present situation. We regret about something in the present. We would really love to change that. We would really love to change now, but that is impossible. So wish plus the past simple form, we talk about the present. Now, we can also use could after wish. We use it to refer to abilities we would like to have. I wish I could speak multiple languages fluently so that I could travel anywhere without any language barriers. I wish you could join us for the party tonight, but she's burning the midnight oil. Deadline's coming. Now, we can also use would after wish. We use would after wish when some people or things or organizations refuse to do something. I wish my neighbors would clean up after their dogs, but they don't. I see things everywhere. I wish my school would install better heating systems in the classroom. It is so necessary, especially during cold winter months. And of course, if we want to talk about an obligation, we would naturally want to use must, but don't. Use didn't have to. Didn't have to. For example, I wish I didn't have to work at weekends so that I could spend more time with family and friends. So I wish I didn't have to. That means that you must. You must work at weekends, although you don't want to, and you want to change it in the present, but it's impossible. Or, I wish I didn't have to wake up early for school. I'm not a morning person. Well, you have to go to school. That means that you must wake up early, but you wish you didn't have to. Again, you want to change it in the present, but it is impossible. So, to talk about the regrets in the present, that you want to change something but you cannot because it's impossible, use I wish plus the past simple form, or I wish plus could, or I wish plus would. So we have just discussed the present and regrets in the present. What about the past? Well, in this case, use the past perfect form. That is wish plus the past perfect form. For example, I wish I had lived in the era of dinosaurs. Imagine riding a T-Rex to work instead of sitting in traffic. I wish I had listened to my friends and invested in Bitcoin when it was first introduced. Now I regret missing out on the chance to become a crypto millionaire. Now, if we refer to past possibilities, we also use could, but a little bit different. So it's wish plus could have plus the third form of the verb or a past participle. I wish I could have attended that concert last night. They say the band was amazing, but it was impossible because I was working. I wish I could have seen the Northern Lights when I was in Iceland, but it was impossible because the weather was bad. All right, now we've talked about the past and the present. What about the future? What do you think? Can we use wish when talking about the future? No. In this case, use hope. If you want to talk about future possibilities, use I hope plus present simple. For example, I hope my favorite team wins the championship this year. I hope my flight arrives on time so that I can make it to the meeting. Now let's sum it up. If we talk about the past, use wish plus the past perfect form, or wish plus could have plus the third form of the verb or a past participle if you talk about past possibilities. The past possibilities. If we talk about the present, about now, about something that we want to change now, but we can't, use wish plus the past simple form. Or if we talk about the possibilities in now, just now, if we talk about the possibilities in the present, then use wish plus could plus an infinitive. Or if you talk about someone or something that is or are refusing doing something, use wish plus would plus an infinitive. If we talk about an obligation, use wish plus didn't have to plus an infinitive. And if we talk about the future, use hope plus present simple. Hope plus present simple. Now, if you don't want to miss any lessons like this, subscribe and then hit that bell button. Because if you hit this bell button, you will be notified every time a new lesson comes out. And that is it from me. Thank you for being here with me today. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!